Arkansas, southern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, central Tipton County in West Tennessee, southwestern Lauderdale County in West Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lepanto, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Osceola, Marktree, Lepanto, Lixora, Wilson, Tyrenza, Kaiser, Fort Pillow State Park, Brighton, Joyner, Dias, Burdett, Bassett, Marie, Fulton, Ashport, Fort Pillow, Gilt Edge, Burleson, and Etowah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Mississippi, and Poinsett, and the following counties in Tennessee, Lauderdale, and Tipton.